Alright, this is the coil making machine that I dreamed up. As you know, this is a 2x4 down here and a 1x4 on top of it, and they're 1 foot long. I'm holding together with this these bolts and nuts, and I'm holding together here too. And this is I think a 1/2 inch pipe clamp, I'm not sure. And this is a gear motor. Some people call it a worm gear motor. It's 12 volts DC, 10 revolutions per minute. And this is the bobbin. And this is something I put on here. It's a switch, and all this does is turns on and off the electricity going to the motor right there. It's just it's like a little, it's a breaker, you might say. And I connected the positive to this wire right here. You can kind of see if I show you. So it's connected right in there to that wire. And this right here is a wire, that the black wire I connected to the other wire coming out of here. These wires could have been any color. All they do is prevent it pretty much turns on the black wire. This is just the black wire. It's a breaker for the black wire. That's all this is. And so I got the alligator clamps on here, and one here, and it's all hooked up, and I sprayed some glue on the wires here so they wouldn't move, wouldn't wobble around. And this is just you know what this is. And shit, what else? I don't know what else to say here. I want this bobbin to go this direction, like, you know, that direction, you know, over, and I want it to go like this, like, you know, like, how can I put this for you, like this way, because that's the way I'm going to wind the wire. And it's all set up to do that because the positive of the battery is going to this connection of the motor, and the negative of the battery is going to this connection of the motor right here. So the positive is going to that one, the negative is going to that connection of the motor. So that will I tested it, and it will turn the output shaft of the motor to go that direction. So that's all good. Now I'm going to flick the switch, and here we go. And as you can see, it's turning very well. And there you are. Little white line there, you can probably see it. That's about the width I'm going to go with the coil, so I know how wide it's going to be. So I know when to stop, so I know when to turn this off. And if things get a bit messy when I'm winding the wire, the coil, when I'm winding the coil, I can just turn this off for a sec, you know, turn it off, and then I can adjust the wire a bit. So I have this easy switch. I'll have one hand or two hands feeding the wire, and then this will be turned on, and if something gets screwed up, just flick it off. So Creative Science could, as far as I'm concerned, they can put this thing up on their site if they want. People can make them themselves. This machine itself, this was like $1 for the plate, and inside here there's a blue little box, you know, and that was probably about $1. And this thing right here, and this little piece right here, and the stuff that's hidden below this is maybe $1. So I don't know. So the whole thing, the machine, not including the bobbin itself, and not including the coupler, that's the coupler, it was probably I don't know, $20 maybe, no more than 25. All right, that's it.